Hello grade 3rd. In previous class of English grammar, we had completed exercise D for the chapter number 4 pronouns. Today we'll start with exercise E. I'll read once. Rewrite the following sentences, replacing the underlined words with the pronouns. What we have to do is, we have to rewrite the sentence. What we have to do is, we have to write this sentence again. Rewrite means writing again. We have to write this sentence again. After what, we have to change this underlined word using their own pronoun. For example, for girl or lady, we use she. For father, we use he. For animals or things, we use eat or anything. I had already explained you the meaning of pronouns, so you have to revise that again. And what we have to do is, we have to replace these words with the pronoun and we have to write this sentences again. Right? Number 1. Sheba is sad. Sheba will leave soon. Sheba has to go to Delhi. शिबा दुखी है, वो जल्दी चली जाएगी. वो कहाँ जाएगी? दिल्ली. राइट? तो यहाँ हिंदी में मैंने जो वो बोला, शिबा शिबा के लिए, दैट वी हैव टू रिप्लेस इट बाय प्रोनाउन. सो शिबा इज गर्ल और लेडी. सो फॉर शिबा वी विल यूज शी. सो द आंसर विल बी शिबा इज सैड. She will leave soon. She has to go to Delhi. उसको कहाँ जाना है? दिल्ली जाना है. Right? Number 2. अंकुर bought a fountain pen. अंकुर एक फाउंटेन पेन खरीद के लेके आया. अंकुर gave the fountain pen to आयशा. अंकुर ने फाउंटेन पेन आयशा को दिया. आयशा loved the fountain pen. आयशा को फाउंटेन पेन अच्छा लगा. सो यहाँ पे अंकुर है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ही, क्योंकि वो लड़का है. फाउंटेन पेन चीज का नाम है, सो वी विल यूज इट. आयशा गर्ल का नाम है, सो वी विल यूज शी. और यहाँ फाउंटेन पेन के लिए वी विल यूज इट. सो ऐसे अगर चीज आप दिमाग में बिठा लोगे तो सेंटेंसेस चेंज करना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. राइट? सो आंसर विल बी अंकुर बॉट अ फाउंटेन पेन. ही गेव इट टू द आयशा. शी लव्ड इट. यस. नंबर 3. पूजा एंड आई वेंट टू वॉच अ मूवी. Pooja and I liked the movie a lot. Here for Pooja and I, जब भी I साथ में होता है, I used to tell you कि it will be we. और the movie non-living thing है, so it's it. So the answer will be Pooja and I went to watch a movie. We liked it a lot. Right? Number 4. Ravi and Rita went to a library. Ravi and Rita went to a library. Ravi और रीटा कहाँ जाते हैं? लाइब्रेरी जाते हैं. Ravi and Rita greeted the librarian. Ravi and Rita मतलब they greeted the librarian. So the answer will be Ravi and Rita went to a library. They greeted the librarian. Right? Number 5. The children went to the zoo. The children ate ice cream. The children relished the ice cream. Relished का मतलब होता है खुश, enjoy किया. तो सेंटेंस क्या है? The children went to the zoo. बच्चे जू गए. बच्चों ने आइसक्रीम खाई. बच्चों ने आइसक्रीम को एंजॉय किया. सो रेलिस्ट का मतलब है एंजॉय करना. सो For children, we will use they. For children, we will use they. And for the ice cream, we will use it. So the sentence will be, the children went to the zoo. They ate an ice cream. They ate an ice cream. They relished it. Right? Number 6. Jai had a birthday party. Jai got lots of gifts. Jai liked the puzzles the best. The puzzle had 8 pieces. Jai had a birthday party. Jai की birthday party थी. Jai got lots of gifts. Jai को बहुत सारे gifts मिले. तो Jai के लिए हम he use करेंगे क्योंकि he is a boy. So we'll use he. Jai liked the puzzle the best. तो Jai की जगह हम he use करेंगे. So he liked the puzzle the best. और the puzzle had 8 pieces. तो the puzzle is non-living thing. तो it will be it. So the sentence will be, Jai had a birthday party. He got lots of gifts. He liked the puzzle the best. It had 8 pieces. With this, I had completed exercise E. Along with this exercises, I have also completed chapter number 4. And your today's homework is, you have to write this sentence, this exercise again in your notebook. But how will you write this? You have to just copy the questions and leave the space for the answers, and you will write answers by your own. आप अपने आंसर्स अपने हिसाब से खुद लिखोगे, बुक में कॉपी करके नहीं. Right? With this, I'll end this class. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye for the day. Bye.